Hi all. Today I'm going to showcase the difference between Sankey diagram and chart. That's the custom visualization which is present in Power BI. Let me connect to the data source and you have a sample super show data. So let's connect to orders table here. So we have custom visualizations. For sure, we need to have a Power BI account to work on custom visualizations. So let's load this particular data. Click on this particular three dots, get more visuals. And we do have Sankey diagram. That's a custom visual. So we have, let's search for Sankey. So we have Sankey diagram and we do have chart. So what is the difference between Sankey and chart? Let's add both the custom visualizations here. So have a Sankey chart and click on the same, get more visuals. Let me add chart as well. It's a kind of a data flow we can see from one dimension to other dimension by making use of Sankey diagram. And I have also done for multi-level Sankey diagram in Power BI. You can also go through that particular video. So let's click on the Sankey. So you can select, let's say, category, and you can also check the destination, that is region, and make use of sales information. Okay. So you have weight based on sales. That is what the data flow from category to region. This is what Sankey diagram. Okay, this is the data flow where we can see for each furniture, from particular furniture to each and every region. You can check the data flow. Okay, or vice versa, or from region to category or category to region. So this is what Sankey diagram, where we can see the data flow from one particular dimension to other. And I'm going to showcase the same. Let's look into the chart diagram here. So I'm going to use same dimension, that is what category, and let's select region and values sales. You can look into the same information here. So when you select technology, so from technology, that is what category technology, you can see the same data flow for a particular region, that is west, this is south, this is east, and this is central. So for from each and every category, you can see the data flow for each and every region. So this is almost similar to Sankey, but it is kind of a ring pie or a pie chart where which is showing in a circle, but you can see the same data flow from one particular dimension to other dimension. So that's almost pretty similar, but you can see a proper data flow in Sankey diagram, which have a like left hand side and right hand side. But when it comes to like chart diagram, this is this showing in a circle where you can see from data from particular central to category, and region to category and category to region. You can see both the flows reverse order or something like in a circle. So it's almost the same. If you want to prefer like one dimensional or one dimension to other dimension data flow, you can prefer both the charts like Sankey diagram, or you can also prefer chart. But we have a multi-level Sankey diagram which is not direct, which we have to create some DAX functionality. We need to prepare the data first. So if you want to go for multi-level Sankey diagram, it's not like one or two levels. You can also go for 3 or 4 levels multi-level Sankey diagram. So that is possible. So I hope this particular visualizations helps, the difference helps between Sankey and chart diagram in Power BI. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for more videos.